This video is a quick start guide that will help you master Insta360 GO Ultra in no time. Using the Action Pod. Just put the standalone camera on the Action Pod to start shooting. Press the power button to turn on the camera. The blue indicator light will glow when the camera is on. You can start shooting with the shutter button on the top of the Action Pod. Press the shutter button to start recording. Press the shutter button again to stop recording. GO Ultra also has QuickCapture for instant shooting. When the device is turned off, simply press the shutter button to start recording. Double press the shutter button to take a photo. Once active, QuickCapture can be customized in the settings on the Action Pod. To perfectly angle selfies, flip the touchscreen to get a full view of your shot. While shooting, tap the button in the lower left to take a photo without interrupting your recording. You can also pause your recording by tapping the time at the bottom of the touchscreen. Then either tap it again or press the shutter button to continue recording. To end the recording, press the shutter button. Using the standalone camera. Press and hold the lock on the Action Pod to remove the standalone camera. Press and hold the button on the standalone camera for 2 seconds to power it on or off. While in standby, tap Start Recording. Tap it again to end your recording. When the standalone camera is off, you can start shooting instantly with QuickCapture. Press the button once to start recording, and once again to stop. Once finished, the standalone camera will automatically shut down. Double press to start taking photos. When finished, the standalone camera will automatically shut down. QuickCapture on the standalone camera can also be customized in the settings menu of the Action Pod. The back of the standalone camera is magnetic, meaning the camera can be easily mounted to metal surfaces. When shooting, you can remotely control the standalone camera via the Action Pod or the Insta360 app to view the scene in real time and adjust the visual settings. Once you've finished recording, you can view the footage directly on the Action Pod or in the Insta360 app. You can switch the aspect ratio of your shots by mounting the standalone camera either horizontally or vertically. When mounted horizontally, you will capture it in a 16:9 landscape aspect ratio. When mounted vertically, in a 9:16 portrait aspect ratio. You can easily identify whether you're shooting landscape or portrait by looking at the placement of the lens and indicator lights. When shooting in landscape, the lens will be on the left and the indicator light will be on the top of the camera. When shooting in portrait, the lens will be on the right and you will see 2 indicator lights. Shooting hands-free. Magnet Pendant. Place the lanyard of the magnet pendant around your neck with the silicone side on your chest. Adjust the lanyard to the appropriate length and then attach the standalone camera to the pendant. Press the button to start shooting in first person. To change the tilt angle of the camera, twist the pendant 180 degrees. If you're shooting sports or something intense, use the quick-release safety cord to prevent the camera from falling and getting damaged. Magnetic Easy Clip. By using the magnetic Easy Clip to attach the standalone camera to the brim of a cap or the Easy Clip headband, you can capture POV shots that truly match your perspective. The Easy Clip headband is recommended for shooting sports such as cycling or running. With the Toddler Titan hat clip and micro lens, you can unlock this super cute Toddler Titan Mode. This was a quick guide for getting started with GO Ultra. For more in-depth information, check out our other tutorials.